the Billie and Bobbie Show.
Take a Billie,
You add a Bobbie, but what's a Billie?
without a Bobbie, it's like sweet corn.
Without a cobby or a worker,
Without a jobby or a hotel.
without a lobby. That's why we're Billie and Bobbie, Bobbie and Billie, the Billie and Bobbie Show.
So wait, Billie is the...
Still no clue. Having fun, Lily?
I can't believe I'm this close to Billie and Bobbie. Her hair's even bigger in real life.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Canoe.
Canoe who?
Canoe, tell us if there are any Billie and Bobbie fans in the house. Hey, sister.
Yeah, brother.
You know what I always wanted?
My golden curl.
Oh. No, really. I always wanted a cherry red sports car. I asked for one for my 16th birthday, but Mother wouldn't get it for me.
Oh, well, she got you a cherry red bicycle.
But none of my dates could fit in that basket. Oh!
I don't know how much more of this I can take.
All this cuteness is making me sick.
Come on, that one was kind of funny.
Everyone dance with us. Show us some of your best moves.